Struggling to write product descriptions that actually sell? Many beginners spend hours tweaking words without seeing results. Writing sales copy that converts can feel intimidating, but AI makes it much faster. I typed this prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause here to copy it exactly. In moments, you get persuasive, benefit focused copy that communicates a value clearly and professionally. It is a strong starting point, even if you've never written product descriptions before. But copy alone won't generate sales. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to apply AI copywriting to sell affiliate products effectively, guiding you through the process step by step in 5 beginner-friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database for tested prompts and the AI strategy call to refine your messaging, all included. Stop struggling to write sales copy. Let AI craft it in minutes. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to turn your copy into real sales, all for just $17. Check the link in the description to get started today.